The main highlight of a wooden floor lamp is its construction using wood. Hi, this is Eva from Wudkwency Artistry. We've created a do-it-yourself project of wooden floor lamp. You can download the free PDF file for scroll saw cutting and DXF file for laser or CNC cutting. The link is provided in the description. Floor lamps are usually tall and stand on the floor, providing ample light to the surrounding area. The natural properties of wood tend to diffuse light gently, creating a soft and warm ambience. This helps to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere in the room.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.